Shakti Jnana Kriya is an effective practice to become aware and feel the life force or Shakti in your body. This Kriya is done from a relaxed supine and on your back position, the Shavasana. In order to benefit from this practice, we will perform 3 rounds of Dhauti pranayama or the Mukha Bhastrika cleansing breath, so that we may enhance the benefits of this Kriya. Take up a high-heeled sitting posture, Vajrasana, with your knees together, the hands on your thighs, and an erect torso. Taking a deep breath, puckering your mouth out in the Kaki Mudra, and blasting out the breath in multiple whooshes as you lower your head and torso down to Dharmika Asana. We'll do this for 3 times. Breathe in, lower, mid, higher section of the lungs, Kaki Mudra. Lift your chin as you breathe in and come back up to Vajrasana. Breathe in, lift your chin up. Back to Vajrasana one more time. Let your nose be between your knees and stretch your arms to bring your hands to your feet. Relax in Dharmika Asana as you calm your mind, body, and emotions, and prepare yourself to be aware, mindful, and full of care for the Shakti Jnana Kriya. As you inhale, lift your chin up, come back to Vajrasana, and then make your way down to Shavasana with your head to the north, feet to the south, heels together, arms by your torso with palms facing up. We will practice 9 rounds of the rhythmic breath Savitri pranayama on the counts of 6 by 3, breathing in and out through your nose as you relax your body on the ground. Breathe out to prepare. Breathe in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 1, 2, 3. Breathe out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 1, 2, 3. Breathe in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 1, 2, 3. Breathe out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 1, 2, 3. Breathe in. Hold, out. Hold, in, hold, Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Hold. 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 Breathe out. Hold. Continue this slow rhythmical breath. And now, put all of your mental concentration into the big toes, thinking only about the toes until they seem to increase in size because of your concentrated awareness. A tingling sensation will be felt in the body parts where you concentrate. This is the life force or Shakti of the body which you are feeling. An awareness of this Shakti is a prerequisite for the higher awareness of the Antaranga or inner phases of yoga. After you are aware of this tingling or buzzing or fizzing sensation in the toes, let this sensation spread to the other toes. Then into both feet. When the tingling sensation is felt in the feet, let it flow upwards to the ankles. Then through the lower legs and calves. Feel this tingling sensation. Through the lower legs and calves and up to the knees. Next, allow it to spread through the upper legs to the thighs. Concentrate on this tingling sensation all the way through the upper legs and the thighs. Then concentrate the tingle between the buttocks at the base of the spine. Now, let the tingle spread up the spine so that you are able now to feel the tingle in the pelvic area. Then up to the abdominal area. Up the lower chest. And finally, the high chest. Now take your concentration down to the fingertips of both hands and be aware of the life force tingling there. Let this tingle spread into both hands. And from the hands up through the wrists, through the forearms to the elbows. Through the upper arms to the shoulders, where emergence is made with the body tingle. Keep breathing rhythmically and concentrating on this tingle. Now flow the tingle upwards into the neck, filling the throat, chin, mouth, nose, facial muscles, eyes, eyebrows, and travel back around the ears to the back of the head. Let the tingle flow over the back of the head to the forehead, settling the tingle into a concentration point between the eyes called Brumadhya. Concentrate on the tingle in this brain center until total relaxation takes over the whole body. take a deep breath in and come back to a rhythmic breath as you begin to move your toes and your fingers. And then slowly inhale and stretch your body in a beautiful way, as if you were just waking up from a sound sleep. Now turn over to the left side and sit in a supine position on your left flank, with your right flank dominant in a fetal position. Here in this fetal position, with your right flank dominant, you are activating the Surya Nadi, activating your body, emotions, and mind, and making them ready to come back to the activity of your life. From this fetal position, come down in Unmukhasana, the face prone position. And from here, Bhujangasana as you breathe in, Chatuspada, and the Shashangasana stretch as you breathe out and relax. On the next inhale, lift your chin up and come back, sitting on your heels in the Vajrasana, sitting quietly and absorbing the benefits of the Shakti Jnana Kriya.